สบายดีสบีได้สบายดี Good morning class Okay we're going to do unboxing today and let me ask Mr. Olay or Mr. Olay Miss Galaxy Miss Galaxy would you like to unbox and you can try also and give your Okay, so let's do unboxing. I ordered this one from Miss Zuela, and let's see what is inside the box. What is that? Miss Galaxy, what is inside the box? Okay, we have a free face mask and alcohol and huh? What is that? Sticker for
you can stick in the lotion.
Yes. Okay. What is that? Guys, it's a lotion. And open it for me. There. Okay. Would you like to try? Or you can open it. Open it for me. Let's see. This is alcohol. Nagtataka kayo siguro paanong alcohol to. Can you open this one also for me? Ganda ni Miss Zuela. Okay, there. So, ayan siya. Spray. Alcohol. Bango ng alcohol. Ayan. Melon. Tapos, this one is lotion for what?
Before you use it and you want to put in here in next step, and this you can put it in before you go to bed also.
Which one is you are going to use before going to bed?
This one.
The one in the top, This one.
This one.
Okay, so it is made from
It's from tofu.
What about the other one? What is that?
This is sunscreen
Sunscreen?
for your body.
Wow, so smooth.
This is
And smells good.
Your skin will blind and you have a white skin.
Okay.
You can put the sticker in here.
Okay, can you bring this one out? Bring it out. Show how to use it. Okay, Ulay, would you like to try? You give it to Ulay. To Miss Galaxy. Is it working? Okay, and how are you going to use it? Oh, wow. Okay. So, ayan. I ordered it from Miss Zuela to support her business. Mabango? Smells good? Okay, what can you say about your product?
This is for your body. If you put this one, your body will blind and good skin.
Thank you, Miss Zuela. Yan, ikutin natin sila. This is Miss Pasifon.
Yes.
What can you say about the product of Mizuela? Okay, quiet. Okay, Miss Pacific is going to say something.
ชื่อว่าจากไหนวะโบวาบุไรต้องว่าอังกฤษนั่นแหละ
Okay, get the product. Say something about it. What is your experience?
Put in
Huh?
Put in first
Where? In your? Okay. What about this one?
Use sunscreen นั่นแหละ
So you have to use the other one first. Okay, the one in the top and then the sunscreen. Okay.
นบทาก้นอบแดด15 นาทีมาจากเด็กก่อน
use it before go to outside 15 minutes
15 minutes? Nahiya tuloy. Okay, tignan natin tong iba. Anti-acne. Oh, jelly mask up. Organic. It says there it's organic. How much is this?
This is if they buy in the market I use 130 but because she is my friend I sell for her 100,000
100,000 kip. Is it expensive?
No.
No? Okay. No doubt. Okay, so try this one. Anti-acne.
It's not expensive.
It's not expensive. And this is organic, huh? Okay, so ayan, nagsi-orderan na sila ng product ni Mizuela. Instead of, Instead of having a class, we're having a business today. Okay, bye-bye class!
The cheese was so popular that this piece is cut. This piece and acting at quick extension Bingham Hugh simply could not simply not supply the 200 stores carrying the brand with enough cheese to give the products on the shelf